Welcome to episode 3. My name is Cheryl. I'm the owner of Unforgettables, where we specialize in customized cakes and treats. You may notice a familiar face, my mom.
Hi, I'm Virginia.
Today's episodes, as you can see, is called I Get It From My Mama.
And I get it from my mama too.
Mom's is up for the weekend. So I thought it would be pretty cool to have her come in the kitchen with me and just have some fun. So I thought, why don't we play around with some of my childhood favorites and some of hers too. We decided to kind of do a makeover and turn some of these family favorites, some of my childhood favorites, into an unforgettable cupcake. You don't get this dessert that often throughout the year, maybe like 2 or 3 times. And I know Thanksgiving is a time where we look forward to it the most. And it's hard to describe because it's not like a dessert, because you can eat it, or we eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It can be served hot or cold. It's one of those things you can eat any time of the year, any time of the day, and it is delicious. We call it apples. That's
Stewed
it.
apples.
We call it apples. That's it. I remember eating it at my grandmother's house, her mom, and when was the first time you remember eating apples?
The first time I ate apples was when I lived in the country, and we picked apples from the apple orchard at our home farm. And Mom used to cook apples almost every morning for breakfast.
Yes. When you were at home, did Grandmama give you, the duty to make apples?
No.
Everyone. When did you start making apples?
I probably didn't really start making apples until you all were born. And so that's probably been about, years ago?
Yeah, years ago. We have given the apples a name, and we're going to call them Jenny's apples, okay? So we're going to be cooking some Jenny's apples today. And of course, we got to serve it up with a delicious cupcake. So I can't wait for you to see how it turns out. Everybody loves bacon, right? It's not just me.
Nah, everybody love bacon.
Okay.
Bacon.
Y'all want some bacon? Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to episode 3, I Get It From My Mama. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next Sunday, 6 o'clock, for episode number 4, They Said Yes. Take care, stay sweet.